Hello guys, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. Now before we go into the trading ideas, I'd like to tell you that we are currently running a 50% sale on my best educational and indicator packs. So if you are interested in trading with the volume profile, then what I recommend is going here, trading course and tools, click that, scroll down a bit, and this is the discounted pack, the elite pack. That's the best educational pack on trading with volume profile, so check it out. And if you are interested in learning how to trade with order flow, then click here. And this is the order flow pack, also 50% discounted. You can get it in here, all right? So yeah, that's about the special sale we are currently running. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or shoot me a message on the quick chat in here. All right. So yeah, that's about that. Let's now have a look at the trading ideas. The first one is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So what you see before you is the Australian dollar Swiss franc 30-minute chart. And what caught my eye was this really strong and aggressive sell-off which took place on Friday. Now, what I'm interested in the most are the heavy volumes that got traded before the sell-off started. This is it. This is the heavy volume area right before the sell-off. So what I think is that sellers were building up their short positions in here, and afterwards they started to push the price aggressively downwards, right? So when there is a pullback to this area in the future, that heavy volume area begins in here at 66.42, then I think that those sellers from this place will want to defend this zone and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's for the resistance, and that's on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. Let's now move on. Let's check out the next pair, and the next one is Australian dollar Japanese yen. So what I have in here are actually two resistance levels which I wanted to show you. The first one is pretty similar to the one I already showed you. It's based on heavy volumes that got traded before strong sell-off, right? So again, I expect that strong sellers were building up their shorts in here, and if there is a pullback to that area beginning at 83.15, then I expect that those sellers will want to defend this zone, defend those heavy volumes, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's for the first resistance, but there's also a second one, and the second one is in here at 83.85. This one is based on a setup which I call the rejection setup. And the rejection setup basically means that the price went one way, then it suddenly turned and went the other way, and somewhere around the turning point there is a significant volume cluster, like this one. This is a volume cluster that points to a place where strong sellers took over, started selling, and pushed the price downwards, right? So this is the most significant place for the strong sellers who changed the uptrend into a downtrend. So when there is a pullback, when the price makes it back to this level at some point in the future, then I think that those sellers from this place will want to defend this zone, as it is clearly important for them. And that's why I think that this is a strong resistance and the price will react there. All right, so that's the logic behind the second resistance. So yeah, that's the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Well, there's one more pair, and it's the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So in here, there's also a rejection setup which I wanted to show you. Again, there is a strong rejection of higher prices. The price went upwards and then it turned and went downwards aggressively. So when you use my flexible volume profile like this, you will see that there is a significant volume area in here. very close to the turning point, right? So this is a place where sellers became active and where sellers turned the buying activity, the uptrend, into the strong sell-off. So this is a strong resistance. This is a strong zone that the sellers will want to defend. It's important for those sellers who rejected the higher prices here. And for that reason, when there is a pullback to 67.19, this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, I think that those sellers will become active and they'll want to defend this zone. So yeah, that's about the resistance on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And before we wrap this video up, what I like to do is I like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of a contest is volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations for winning the profile. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate is just leave a comment below this video. And the next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright? So yeah, that's about it. That's about the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading!